Hello and welcome to our quicktechie.com. In this session, we're diving into how you can master the art of prompt design on Databricks, making your AI projects more efficient and accurate. Whether you're a data scientist or just getting started, these best practices will guide you through creating effective prompts tailored for Databricks' powerful platform. Let's get started. Crafting the perfect prompt is like giving precise instructions to a novice chef. You need clarity and specificity. Let's look at how we can achieve this on Databricks. Be as clear and specific as possible in your prompts to avoid ambiguity. This ensures that the AI accurately understands your request, reducing processing time and improving response quality. When it comes to designing prompts for AI on Databricks, think of it as programming a GPS. You wouldn't just say, "Go to the city," you'd specify an exact address to ensure you arrive at the right location. Similarly, the more specific you are with your prompts, the more precisely AI can navigate the vast data landscape to bring you accurate results. By clearly stating what you need, such as asking for a quarterly revenue breakdown by region and product line, instead of just revenue data, you help the AI focus its computational power on fetching precisely what you need, greatly enhancing efficiency and output quality. Incorporate domain-specific jargon only if it is common within the datasets that Databricks AI has been trained on. This can improve the relevance and precision of the AI responses. Now let's talk about language. Just like in any specialized field, whether medical, legal, or tech, jargon can be incredibly useful or a hindrance depending on how it's used. On Databricks, using the right technical terms that the AI is trained on can sharpen your results. Example 1. Financial analysis. Without jargon, prompt, analyze company performance data. AI response. The AI might return a generic analysis covering a broad range of performance metrics without focus, such as basic revenue and expense figures. With jargon, prompt, conduct a comprehensive EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization trend analysis over the past 5 fiscal years and correlate it with market expansion activities. AI response. The AI would provide a focused analysis on EBITDA trends, including specific details on how these figures relate to periods of market expansion, showing more depth and relevance to stakeholders interested in financial specifics. Another example for healthcare data without jargon, prompt, give me a report on patient outcomes from the recent trial. AI response. This might result in a broad overview of patient outcomes, lacking in specific medical detail or significance, such as general health improvements or issues. With jargon, prompt, summarize the change in A1C levels for patients in the control group versus the experimental group in our Phase 3 diabetes treatment trial. AI response. The AI would generate a specific response focused on A1C levels, a critical metric in diabetes care, comparing the control and experimental groups, which is highly valuable for medical professionals analyzing the efficacy of the treatment. Now let's check example for technology sector without jargon, prompt, describe the latest software release. AI response. The response might be a general summary of the software release, including basic updates and feature additions. With jargon, prompt, detail the enhancements in machine learning algorithm efficiency and new neural network architectures included in the latest software release. AI response. The AI would focus specifically on the technological advancements in machine learning efficiency and neural architecture, providing a detailed technical description suitable for an audience familiar with AI and software development. Using jargon effectively in prompts allows the AI to produce more targeted and relevant responses, particularly useful in specialized fields where precision is crucial. It enables the AI to understand and align with the domain-specific expectations of the user, leading to outputs that are more actionable and insightful for expert audiences. Now let's talk about language. Just like in any specialized field, whether medical, legal, or tech, jargon can be incredibly useful or a hindrance depending on how it's used. On Databricks, using the right technical terms that the AI is trained on can sharpen your results. For instance, if working on financial data, using terms like EBITDA, liquidity ratios, and market capitalization can enhance the relevance of AI responses, provided these terms are part of the training datasets. It's like giving a well-trained dog a clear command. It knows exactly what to do. Now let's see another couple of examples of prompt design. In scenario 1, data analysis for retail sales. Initial prompt you will write may not work best. Analyze sales data. Refined prompt which will work. Provide a monthly sales breakdown for the last year by product category and region, highlighting top performers and underperformers based on units sold and revenue generated. In scenario 2, machine learning model training. Initial prompt you will write may not work best. Train a model. Refined prompt which will work. Train a logistic regression model using the last 3 years of purchase data to predict customer churn, with parameters set for a 70/30 train test split and a regularization strength of 0.1. Now let's discuss leveraging Databricks features. Integration with Delta Lake. Use prompts that specify operations on Delta Lake for real-time performance analytics and data versioning, which is crucial for maintaining data integrity in machine learning workflows. Utilizing MLflow. Design prompts that include logging experiments with MLflow to track models, parameters, and metrics, enhancing reproducibility and scalability of machine learning projects. Remember, designing prompts on Databricks is about communication. The clearer and more specific your communication, the better the AI can perform. Use the language it understands, and don't be afraid to refine your requests based on the feedback. With these practices, you're not just using AI, you're collaborating with it to achieve optimal results. Thanks for watching this session, and all the best for your Databricks Certified Generative AI Engineer Associate. Keep visiting quicktechie.com.